Bonjour les amis, c'est vendredi and it's time to drive to St-Tropez for a little fun by the sea and under the sun. It is summertime and I'm about to drive down tomorrow and I am packing right now. And I'm packing different outfits for the beach, the lunch and the dinners and town. And I wanted to share some tips with you about what jewelry to wear with which outfit. So this is one of my first favorite outfits. It's kind of a very charming, very French off-the-shoulder top that I would wear into town with my cutoffs. Cutoffs, very cool, décontracté. And I would put fun jewelry, so a big statement necklace, such as this sun flare necklace, full of medallions, big charms of sun. And I would match it with the matching bracelet, the sun flare bracelet. Throw on a nice statement ring, and I could not go to St-Tropez without my St-Tropez watch. And this would be the outfit to go to Seaside for a drink. You might be invited on a cruise or on a boat for a party. I would suggest something nice and flowing, some easy going, something you can wear without shoes, go barefoot. And then you throw on a nice mariner chain necklace, fun statement earrings, a little twist watch, all gold, and you complete it with some forever bangles and Celtic. And then voila! Don't forget that every Tuesdays and Saturdays there's the market and you have to get there early, and maybe you'll have a little coffee, do a little shopping. You'll get your panier de Saint-Tropez, your beach bag that is very well known in Saint-Tropez, and every year there's a new one. And this is what I would wear to the market. Something casual, something easy, flat shoes, cute top, stack on some jewelry, cut off shorts, and that's it. Very trending right now, great for kind of necklines. I've added 2 necklaces here, stacked. I've stacked my wrist with a bunch of bangles, and I've worn the forever red dial that matches a little bit some accents around my dress.